Hi everyone, my name is Sophie, and in this video, I want to talk about the Divine Locks method. And I want to warn you. And guys, the official website link is in the description and also in the first comment. Guys, does this product really solve the problem of hair loss? The hair that doesn't grow and is lifeless? Is it really worth spending your money on Divine Locks? In this video, I will tell you everything you need to know about Divine Locks. Divine Locks method is a supplement that addresses a little-known cause of hair loss, thinning and breakage, the dermal papillae folding and cutting nutrients from the hair shafts. If you have hair loss, thinning, weak, thin hair, if your scalp is becoming visible, if your self-esteem is low because of it and you have tried several ways to solve it without success, Divine Locks is a great supplement for you. Divine Locks Complex is a revolutionary innovation in hair health. Contains an incredible blend of natural ingredients that provide enormous benefits to your hair. Helps repair and rejuvenate hair follicles. This will result in the growth of new, thicker and stronger hair, covering the entire head. This will help you to activate special cells within the hair follicle that directly regulate hair growth, health and hair loss. Divine Locks compels hydrates hair, gives hair a natural shine, prevents hair loss. Its antioxidant properties prevent cell damage. And a very common doubt is whether the Divine Locks complex works. The special ingredients of the Divine Locks complex were specially selected to reverse the effect of hair damaged by lack of nutrients. These nutrients are provided by the dermal buds, which with aging and pollution, lose their ability to nourish the follicles. The supernutrients contained in the Divine Locks supplement formula help to restart the production of dermal papillae in the hair follicles. This leads to an abundance of these cells and nourishes all the compressed hair root cells. In this way, the Divine Locks complex supplement will pave the way for your hair to meet all its nutritional needs. The Divine Locks complex formula will stimulate new hair growth in the bald areas of your head. And it won't be the thin, wispy hair you have now, but beautiful, healthy hair. Your hair will have the strength of your later years. As I've already said, Divine Locks contains natural and scientifically proven ingredients such as bladderwrack, noriaki, wakame, grapeseed extract, silica, FOT. It's extracted from a root, biotin, selenium, hyaluronic acid, and more. Divine Locks is manufactured in the USA in an FDA-registered facility that adheres to GMP, Good Manufacturing Practice, guidelines. And how should you take Divine Locks? The manufacturer recommends taking 2 capsules of the product a day. It can be along with meals. In addition to everything I've already said, Divine Locks also has a 180-day guarantee, that is, if you don't like the product, you can ask for a refund. But I want to give you 2 tips. First, take Divine Locks daily. Second, only buy Divine Locks from the official website. This product is not sold on any other website, only on the official website. The official website link is here below in the first link in the description. Don't fall for scams. Only buy from the official website. I'll stop here, hope I helped. Until the next video.